1-inch diameter for grip and decor. This rope measures 1 inch, approximate 25 to 26 millimeters in diameter. The thickness provides a substantial grip surface, making it suitable for family tug-of-war activities, tree swings, or climbing ropes. It is also used as a decorative element for deck railings where a medium profile cord is required. 50-foot continuous length. This package contains a 50-foot, approximate 15.2 meters, coil. The length is designed for standard residential projects, such as hanging a porch swing, wrapping a single large deck post, or creating a decorative border for a garden pathway. Technical specifications: length, 50 feet. Diameter, 1 inch, 25 millimeters. Working strength, 900 pounds. Structure, 4-strand twisted. Material, natural hemp fibers, oil-treated. The 4-strand construction offers a rounder profile and higher density compared to 3-strand alternatives, ensuring the rope maintains its shape under tension. Landscaping and DIY utility. Designed for indoor and outdoor applications. Landscaping. Used for fencing rails through wooden posts. Decor. Used for hanging beds, curtain tiebacks, or wrapping furniture. Recreation. Suitable size for children's playground climbing nets or obstacle courses. Maintenance and scent notice. This rope is treated with mineral oil to provide resistance against friction and environmental factors. Please note, the product will have an industrial scent upon arrival due to the oil treatment. It is recommended to air the rope out in a ventilated area, garage or outdoors, for 3 to 5 days to allow the scent to dissipate before indoor use.